Hello everyone, Kuiera here with the XP Realty. Today we will be viewing the Knoll floor plan, which is part of the Wimbrook collection here at Waterston North. This home offers 5 beds, 3.5 baths, and 3,462 square feet. Let's take a look. When you walk in the home, it has a nice open floor plan. This home offers 3 sitting areas. Just looking here, I'm trying to think of which way do I want to start. Let's start this way. One side of the home offers a teen flex room with 2 bedrooms and a full bath. Here's the flex room here, and as you can see, you have the sliders where you have access to the courtyard for sitting if you would like to. As we walk back, we will come across the full bath here and 2 of the bedrooms that are offered on this side of the home. Let's just take a look. And we're going to go out here to look at the other bedroom over here. Nice. Okay, so now we're going to go past this flex room or teen room where you have your other sitting area over here to the left. And then we're going to come into this nice open area here where you have your formal dining as well as your great room and your sliders. They go across on both sides, so you can open those all the way, which is a nice feature. Now we have this nice kitchen which has this nice size island and it offers additional seating for you. And the kitchen, it offers plenty of cabinet and counter space. You have your microwave, your in the wall oven, I should say. And over here we have the pantry. Now if we continue down this hallway here, there is another bedroom and a laundry room. So looking at this laundry room, you have space to do whatever you need. And coming into this bedroom here, it has a closet as well as its own full bath. Alright, let's take a look around here, and we're going to go back past the kitchen area again and swing to the left. Now over this way, this is where you're going to find your owner's suite. The owner's suite has a door here where you have access to your backyard, so if you want to just get up and go outside for a little bit, you have the option to do that. You have your bedroom area, and then we're going to walk into your bathroom, which has this nice walk-in shower. You have your toilet area here with your dual vanity. As we go further back, you will also see the nice owner suite closet. This one is custom with cabinetry and things to that nature, which is a nice option to have in your closet. So let's go on back out here, and we're just going to go ahead and go to the backyard right off of the owner's suite. You have your sitting area here. You actually have 2 sitting areas in this particular yard with your built-in grill and the raised garden beds for the flowers. You have a lot of room to do things in this backyard because the lots here, they're 9,695 square feet. And just take another glimpse of the home. As we go back through, we see right off of the kitchen at the owner's suite there. Everything is pretty much spread out. Everyone has room to do whatever they need to do in this home. Well, that concludes the tour for this home. If you have any questions or need any additional information, feel free to comment or contact me. My contact information is listed below. If you could, would you like, subscribe, share this video? I'm here if you need any help with anything. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch my video, and I will see you on the next one. You have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much.